Hello, smart and creative kids! Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute and easy mouse. Perfect for little artists like you. Let's grab our pencils and start drawing with big smiles so you can learn how to draw and color step by step. It's going to be so much fun! First, let's draw the outline using a bold black color. Great job! Now, let's bring our mouse to life with bright and cheerful shades. Add black for the outlines and small details, nice and bold. Next, use periwinkle to make the ears or outfit extra fun. Add a soft touch of coral for the cheeks. So cute and sweet!
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
Use charcoal for the mouse's nose, shoes, or whiskers. Very cool! Now, color the body with peach for a soft and gentle look. Add some green for the little accessories. Fresh and playful! Use yellow for details like the shoes or buttons. So bright! Add a pop of red for the mouth, cheeks, or bow. Super fun! And finally, use orange for small decorations or extra details. Awesome! Wow! Your cute mouse character is now fully colored and ready for a fun adventure. Thank you so much for drawing and coloring with us today, friends. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next creative drawing. Bye-bye!